When a sudden, tragic loss strikes due to another's negligence, the emotional pain can be overwhelming, but often, families are also left grappling with unexpected financial burdens. It is natural to wonder how to navigate these challenging times and what support might be available to help rebuild your life. In a wrongful death claim, surviving family members can pursue a range of damages, which are financial compensations intended to address the losses they have suffered. These damages typically fall into two main categories: economic and non-economic, each covering different aspects of the harm caused by the death. The core reason these damages exist is to provide a measure of justice and financial relief when a life is cut short due to someone else's wrongful act, negligence, or misconduct. The law recognizes that a life has immense value, not just emotionally, but also in terms of financial contributions and personal support. Economic damages aim to replace the financial contributions the deceased would have made, such as lost income, expected inheritance, and the value of household services they provided. Non-economic damages, on the other hand, acknowledge the profound emotional and personal losses, compensating for grief, sorrow, loss of companionship, comfort, protection, and parental guidance, among other things. The specific types and amounts of damages available can vary significantly based on state laws, the relationship of the claimants to the deceased, and the deceased earning capacity and family role. To pursue these damages, families typically initiate a wrongful death lawsuit, often with the guidance of an attorney. This process involves gathering extensive evidence to prove liability, demonstrate the extent of the losses incurred, and establish the financial and emotional impact on the surviving family members. The legal team will help identify all potential damages, calculate their value, and present a compelling case to seek fair compensation. Understanding terms like pecuniary loss, which refers specifically to financial losses that can be calculated, and survival action, which allows a legal claim for damages the deceased could have pursued had they lived, can be very helpful. Pecuniary loss covers things like lost wages and benefits, while a survival action might include the deceased medical expenses prior to death and their pain and suffering. These distinct legal avenues ensure that the full spectrum of loss, both to the family and to the deceased estate, can be addressed. Ultimately, securing damages in a wrongful death claim helps families regain some financial stability and acknowledges the profound impact of their loss. While no amount of money can ever replace a loved one, it can alleviate the severe financial hardships that often accompany such a tragedy, allowing families to focus on healing and moving forward, ensuring that the responsible party is held accountable for their actions.